Hey, are you still trying to host your high-ticket coaching program inside of a free Facebook group? Really? A free Facebook group for a community that might be generating 6 or 7 figures? It might be time for an upgrade. Hey, I'm Bruce. I'm the co-founder of Tribe Social, and we've spent the last 15 years building custom apps for our clients. In 2020, we launched Tribe Social as a way to fast-track clients to get their own custom white-labeled apps in the App Store in less than 30 days. The app is actually built on your own tech stack, which means that you can stop renting a platform or stop using those free platforms. For Steven and Chelsea, we migrated their entire Rainmaker community off of a free Facebook group and off of a crazy expensive Slack account into their own custom app. Now their community has a beautiful custom app where they can engage with each other in a distraction-free environment, no longer dependent on algorithms or crazy per seat cost of a Slack account. Here's our simple 4-week process. In week 1, we strategize and we put together a blueprint of where all the content and users and courses are going to go in your app. In week 2, we build your app. This means we're setting up your own tech stack and customizing the app with your own brand and logos and tailoring it to your community. In week 3, we're gonna migrate all of your content and all of your users so that you don't have to. In week 4, we're launching your app. This means that we're tying up any loose ends and getting it ready for a community so we can be live in the App Store, the Google Play Store, and on your own custom domain. Now, if you already have a proven offer and a thriving community of hundreds, if not thousands of members, a custom white labeled app might be the next step for you. If you're interested, you can book a call below and see if Tribe Social is the right fit for your community.